What's up, guys? I'm back. We're back. We've been on a little hiatus, probably 3 or 4 months. Our whole life has changed. We moved out of the shop. We bought a house. And then we decided we hate owning a home. So, hopping in the van, we're hitting the road. No, we still like the house, but we only have 3 weeks until our other job kicks in.
Well, let's go on travelers.
Are you ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you want to go?
Here's the donut.
And so we've been meaning to give you a tour of the van, but we've been so busy with weddings that just haven't had time. So we'll show you real quick what the inside, what it all looks like. Quick tour. So right here we've got the toilet. It's a little Thetford Porta Potty 135 for emergency use. You've got your drawer. You've got your mini fridge. Upper cabinet. This will be the upper bed. So attached to the L track across. This will be usually where Colleen and the boys sleep. This trip, because we need extra space, because this van is more of a weekend van, we took away this side, these cushions. This is where we're gonna store some things. So I will be sleeping on this side, this table. Throw it out, leave it at home, because our dog is bougie and she needs a fridge for her own food. She eats raw food diet. So we've got a Dometic that's going right here. Got a bike rack on the back for our bikes, and we're ready to hit the road.
You ready to go on a trip? Is that my seat?
Welcome back, followers.
Welcome back, followers.
On the filogram.
We are
Going to the beach, the desert, and the snow.
Are you excited?
This time we're leaving tonight.
We're leaving right now. Say, let's hit the road, Jack.
Hit the road, Jack.